kubak sounder strong kaji ketong jaka Trinamool Congress napok makarawat konstituensi ulang bawah ada kan makarawat kedika jaka kabah kibabu gina tabut kidi kita jelah Nei kedika sengpat kabatri dengan ta kibaduk mat komputer kabatri dengan ta kiret pai kom ta kipat ba kenjit jaka TMC bat ken kentai jaka seng NPP hakas nam ajat atulai bakat TMC kanyo masin syah jaka jelah hakas nam ajat atulai yang kedua pun pau habaknya mengenai untuk khabar di melawai ke jalan apa makarawat.
At the very outset, most of the people they said that why you vote for this Bengali party? I said because here in Makarawat is 100% they are our Khasi people, and they asked me such a question. I said okay. So now if I contest from the TMC, which is a party which is really working hard for the downtrodden, for the minority. And then at the same time, the people of Meghalaya would like to see that this NDP government should go in, and it's only TMC which is not a chance to form the government in this coming election. I would like to convey a message that they should, if they want to change, they should go for to support the Trinamool Congress, which we know that the Trinamool Congress we are going to form the government by 2033.